Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with an unboxing from bulkwholesale.com. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, keep watching. Okay, so let me give you the specs before we get into this bad boy. Okay, so this is a furniture and decor lot. I spent $173. That includes shipping. So the original retail value though is $830. Everything's supposed to be brand new in it. So we're going to see what it's looking like. I have my gloves, I have my wipes, and I got my basket. So I'm ready. Ready. Off the top, it is very full. There you go. Okay, so this is a Sun Zero, and it took off part of the sticker from this. So it took that off. So this is a, I'm sorry. I'm getting ahead of myself. So this is a Sun Zero curtain panel, but it's only one, and this is how it looks. I hope my lighting is not off, guys. So it looks like it's kind of bluish white. Hopefully there's another one in there. This one is another, I believe it's a curtain panel. It has, oh, it is a curtain panel. It says on here it's by Arcaea, and it's white. It's a white curtain panel. So one stickler, please stop doing this. Stop putting this on the actual thing here. Whoever does this, I don't know if it's bulk or if it's the company. Stop doing this. You know, if you're going to send it off to liquidation, don't put that there. Put it somewhere where we can actually take it off, because this is actually going to be very difficult. This particular sticker is difficult to come off because it has a black background, and so you will have to be very careful in taking it off. Matter of fact, I don't even see how I can take this off. I probably have to cover it. So yeah. Next we have a threshold light filtering curtain set, and this is 2 panels, and it is, there it is. That's kind of the true color right there. It actually looks better on camera than it does in person, but it looks like it's kind of like an olivey green thing going on. Okay, next we have this. Okay, so I don't know exactly what these are called, but it's by Waverly, and it's one of those curtains. It says One Clifton Hall Christie Valance. Oh, it's a valance. It's called a valance. So it's the kind of curtain that just hangs on the top. My mom used to keep these kind of curtains in the kitchen window. So it just hangs on the top, and it's like a blue and kind of gold or yellowish. So that background color is like a bluish gray kind of color. So I'm assuming it looks something like what is pictured, but it's just different colors. So you see that picture there. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Can I get it to focus? There you go. So that picture is said where the tan colors is gold and yellow, and where the green is as the main background color is like a bluish gray. So here is another Arcaea, I think it's pronounced, and it's one curtain panel, and it's like a beige and white color. Okay, so this is a blackout curtain. Don't have any, oh, okay, it's on the tag on here, and it's by Threshold, but it's a light pink. So that's kind of cool that it's a light color, but it's a blackout curtain. It says 99% blackout curtain. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so this is a photo holder by Loft Umbra. I guess that's how that's pronounced. And it's like a peace sign. It's like a peace sign, and it has the nails and stuff on the back. Oh, and here's the second one. Next is Bella by Exclusive Home. It is 2 back tab rod pocket curtains. And I can tell you that I have no idea in the slightest what any of that means. And it's just white and sheer. It looks as, well, you're not seeing the picture. Okay, close. So it looks exactly how it looks on the picture. And these are 54 by 84. All right, let's see. These are magic sliders for the carpet, wood, and towel. I have no idea what this is. It's a spritz slap bracelet, and it's a party favor. But it has a ruler on the inside. Oh, there you go. There you go. And it's like a ruler. And on the other side, it has all these stuff. All these. Okay. And then I guess it just slaps on your wrist. And okay, so I have 2 of these magic sliders in the smaller size. It's an 8 count. So I have 2. A random red cloth. I'll probably keep this just to clean with. Okay, so this actually might need to, nope, because I don't have the thing that goes in it. Okay, so this actually will probably be donated, and it looks like it is a it's by Heart. It's Target's brand. I forget how it's pronounced, but it's a woven tray with leather handles. So you see it's woven, and it has the leather handle here, and it has a leather handle here, but it broke off. And so at first I was like, I can glue it back on, but it doesn't have the inside thing here. See, it's missing. So it's originally retailed at $16.99. I will probably donate it. If any of you guys want it, send me a message. I can ship it to you, and I would just charge you for shipping. You know, this doesn't really go with my motif, so I'm not going to even try to keep it. So if you guys want it, message me. I'll just charge you shipping, and you can have it. Right there. Okay, trying to get to, and we have another 2-pack of these magic sliders. I'm guessing that these are for, it says the only multi-surface friction fighter, so I'm guessing like for chairs or something. You put it at the bottom, or like for your sofa, so that you can move it around on the carpet. Okay, this is number 918, and it is a 1-panel window sheer. That's how it looks. Here is Perry Home shower curtain. It's a fabric shower curtain. Here is a threshold light filtering curtain. It filters sunlight to allow natural room light and offers moderate privacy. So it's kind of like the other one that I showed you, but this has like this gray detailing at the bottom. So that's, oh, is it on the side? It's on the side. Oh, okay, so it's on the side. Oh, it is at the bottom. So it looks exactly how it looks on the picture, with the little detailing going around the edges. And this is 54 by 95 in length and width. Here is another threshold curtain, and this one is sheer and is in natural linen. Oh, okay, so those cloths, that was part of a set. So it looks like this came apart, but it looks like they're part of a, oh, they're part of, okay, so it's part of a set, and it's by Target brand, and this is cloth. It doesn't give me much detail other than that. I don't know how many supposed to be in a set. But again, it has this gaudy tag on it. Let's see if I can snap on this come off for me to tell me how many is supposed to be in a set. So, but these look like a complete set, these two, so they're going to get scanned. So this is the rest of that one. And this was fairly recent because the date on these tags is May 5th, and I think I saw some June. The date on the basket is July 26th. So these are recent pulls. So there are two of these in here, and these are rugs, reversible accent rugs. So these are by Threshold, and pretty much how it works, you put it down and then you can put another rug, like one of their title rugs or word rugs, on top. Or you can just use this as an accent rug. And I have, trying to look at, it's 24 by 36, and I have 2 of them. Now we're getting down. Here's another set of the red washcloths. Okay, this feels, oh, okay, so the zipper just broke on it. Hold on. Alright, let's see if we can get it back on track. Alright, there we go. Cool. So this is by Waverly, and it's just like the other one, but this one says one, oh yeah, I think the other one said the same thing. Yep, so it's another one. Because this one doesn't feel as full as this one. See, it feels like it's missing a piece. See how this looks real intact and full, and then this one doesn't. Like, it looks like it's missing a piece at the top. Like the board. I think the board is gone out of it. So the board is gone out of it, and this was a return. Or maybe it just got damaged in the store. I don't think it was a return, because this looks too... But then again, why would the board be missing? Figure that one out. And I have another one. And this one is inside. See, this one has the board. Okay, and I have another one. So I have 4 in total. Here is a blackout curtain by Eclipse, and it is in a light beige color. Let's see. It's 42 by 84. Okay, so I have another RKO, one panel linen. Not linen, but it's in the color linen. It looks like the other one, so I have 2, so that's good. I have 2 panels. It looks like this one going one direction, that one going the other direction, but I hope that It's just how it's packed. Next is whatever the hell this is. This bag is not a toy. Why are you on that? Okay, that is gross. And I use some glue gun to get this off. This is a light filtering 1-rod pocket panel. So I'm guessing it's just one. It's just 1-rod pocket panel. And it's 84 inches and it's in Makiko. Or maybe that's what it's called. It's called Makiko and it's in gray. And it's like this. To me, it doesn't look great. The flowers are great on it, but it looks like a beige color. So, yeah. Alright, so this is another Eclipse blackout curtain in the Kindle Cafe colors, like a light beige. So I have 2 of these. So that's great. And I have another one of these Threshold light filtering curtain sets. Same exact color and pattern by Threshold. And it's a Farrah window panel in solid gray. Just so you know that. Here's another one of those number 9181 panel, and it's a sheer window curtain, and it is 59 by 95. Almost to the end, guys. This is the light filtering curtain set by Target brand. It's 2 panels at 84 inches, and it's like a green and cream color, like this green, and then that's cream, maybe an olive green color, and it tells you how it would look on the back according to the inches. So it's this one, the middle one, 84 inches. Okay, and now we got this garland, this floral garland. Again, this is something that I would donate. If you are interested in it, send me a message. My IG will be at the bottom. You can IG me. I will just give it to you and charge the shipping, okay? Because this, I'm not going to do nothing with this but put this in the donation box, okay? But you're interested, you know, having it for next spring. You know, maybe you want to take it loose, make it a crown. You know, whatever. Let me know. Slide me a message in my DM. I will just charge you shipping, okay? Okay, here is a Project 62 99.9% blackout curtain in gray henna. This thing has some weight to it. It is 63 inches, so it comes probably to where that desk is. It comes to where that desk is. That's it. So it's for your shorter windows. Here's another cloth set. There is a number 9181 panel curtain, but it's like gray, and I mean it's white with gray stitch detailing all over it, and it's 50 by 84 inches. And the last thing in this box is another one of these. So stay tuned to the next video. I will be listing this bad boy, and we're going to see if I can make my money back. Catch you in the next one. Bye.